Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your Jazz Internet bundle is active and that you have enough data. Check balance in the Jazz World app or by dialing the UST code. Once done, enable mobile data and select 4G/LTE for best throughput, then turn off background apps that consume bandwidth. Make sure your phone is charged above 30% or connected to power to avoid shutdown during sharing. These preparatory steps prevent interruptions and ensure the hotspot will provide stable connections. Now create the Wi-Fi hotspot. Give the SSID a clear name and set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password so unauthorized users can't connect. Once set, choose the frequency. Use 5 GHz for faster local speeds if everyone is nearby, or 4 GHz for better range. Limit simultaneous devices to 3 to 5 to preserve performance and enable any client isolation or data saver options. Make sure tethering settings allow sharing over mobile data and not just Wi-Fi. Finally, connect the other devices to your hotspot using the SSID and password you created, then load a lightweight web page to verify connectivity and speed. Monitor consumption in the Jazz World app and disconnect or pause heavy users if speed drops. Consider setting usage limits. If a device won't connect or speeds are poor, restart the hotspot and the phone toggle mobile data and confirm APN settings are correct. This single troubleshooting step resolves most tethering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.